Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a super cute sofa. It is very easy. Let's get started. First we draw the feet. Now let's draw the armrests. These are the sides of our sofa. Next we will draw the seat. Very good. Then we will draw the main shape of the sofa, like a rectangle with rounded corners. Very good. Now for the fun part, coloring. Use palette color for the sides of our sofa, like these. Very good. Now we use pink color for the body of the sofa. Make sure to stay inside the lines, like these, and color in one direction to make it neat, like these. Very good. Same here. You did it very well. Very good. Then we use parrot color. Don't cross the lines. Try to stay inside the lines, like these. Then we use pink color, a very bright color. Very good. Same here. Almost done. Excellent. Brown color for the feet. Very good. Then we use black marker to make it stand out. Like this. Very good. And there you have it. Your super cute sofa is ready. Allah Hafiz.